Remember when I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side, you will never be alone. Even
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. In today's video, we are going to do something a lot different, but we are still doing a slime video. In today's video, we are going to do, so one of us is going to have a blindfold. And by the way, we have a special guest, my cousin. Hi guys. And today we are going to be having a blindfold. And we are going to I'm going to choose a color for her to find, and if she gets it right, she can choose whichever color she wants. But if she gets it wrong, and she gets this color, she has to stick with the green color. So it's going to be pretty fun. So, let's get started. So, if you want, I can go first. Or do you want to go first? Okay, go. No cheating. You're going to look for the color yellow. I'm gonna mix them up so she doesn't know where it's at. So just hold on, almost done. Done. What color? Yellow. I go for this. Okay, that one. Red. Go again. Okay, look for the color green. Go. What color? Green. Yeah, it says turquoise blue. It is blue, but it isn't blue. So, it is yellow. Oops, sorry. It is turquoise. I'll go for this. You can choose whichever color you want. Go for blue. Okay. Try to look for purple. Done? Yeah, go. Forgot one more. those are her colors. It's red, blue, and yellow. I think yellow and blue are going to make, I think she's gonna make brown. Cause these two colors make green, if you remember my last video. And then green plus red, I feel like it's gonna make brown. But these are my colors. It's gonna be a little easy because there's less. It's gonna be a little easy.
Okay, just give me the purple.
Purple. There's supposed to be 3. Wait, which one am I looking for?
Purple. I'm a blue.
I'm just putting all of them close to me.
¿Estoy a cuántos blues hay?
They're supposed to be. Wait, where's the other one?
Yo tengo 3 y tú tienes 2. Y no está aquí.
I want to go for one of these. This? No, this one. This one or this one. This one or this one. Hold on, which one has more? This one has more. We don't really use. Wait, which one is what? This one has more. I think this is a different color. This one has less. I'm gonna go for this one.
Okay, you get it. Okay, now you have to do green. Fine. Green.
It's gonna be.
It's easy.
I know it's gonna be easy. This one.
Yes.
I want to go for this clear color. Since I got it right, I get to choose whichever color I want. Like I click
Please.
clear.
Oh, I clicked
And I want clear.
clean.
Go.
What
color am I?
The blue liquid? The blue, no, the blue liquid.
Uh-huh. Oh, the blue liquid one? It's gonna be easy. This one.
Yes.
These two feel the same, but you can tell by their size. Which I just want to stick with this one because I don't really want green or white, so I'm just gonna go with these colors. And this is our bowl to mix it with. Let me just take it like that. Alright, so now we are just going to add a bit of it. We're not going to add all of it so we can save some for some next videos if we have ideas. Alright, so I'm sorry that I haven't posted for a while. I know what is wrong with me. So, you know what, for faster reasons.
Yeah, faster.
For faster stuff. I'm going to take off the cap. I'm going to add like this much. Not all of it. We almost got the colors I wanted. I wanted to make like a kind of like a galaxy color. Okay, I remember from my last video, I should not add a lot of this. I'm only gonna add a little bit, so I'm just gonna open the top. That one you can add as much, but not all the top. I'm gonna add like that much because I remember from my last video. You guys should go check it out if you don't know what I'm talking about. But since this one's liquidy, I'm just gonna pour it on the top. Next time, let us know if we should do the no bowls and no spoon video. And I forgot to get the forks to mix it with. I'm just gonna add a bit of that. There. You done? Alright. You can see it just looks like it's purple and blue. I'll be right back.
I'll put some more first.
Alright. like this is a mess because I want to add more. I want to say I want to add more blue, but not really. So I'm just gonna mix with this part instead of the forky part.
Yes.
So okay, it's turning out blue again, but I like this color because it's like a purplish.
My turn this color.
Blue. So here we are, just gonna mix it. Here's my color so far. It's like a purplish blue. In camera, it just looks purple, but in like, it looks I'm gonna add a little bit more purple. They're just turning out to be brown.
Yes.
It's gonna look gold if you put a little bit more yellow, but I'm not sure. Or maybe it'll just turn me brown. My hair is a mess.
I wanted purple.
I wanted red and yellow and purple, but I got these colors. Right, I added a little bit more purple for that bluish purple consistency.
I'm not more, it's just turning out brown.
Alright, I have this consistency, as you can see.
Oh, I just want to see.
And hopefully soon we can go buy some more glues and some more colors of glues because these are gonna finish pretty fast if we keep on doing some slime videos. Oops.
Yes.
I actually really like this, but I want a little bit of a big slime. So I'm gonna add clear glue because I have more clear glue, but we just have this one right now. I'm going a big slime.
Oh, clear glue. Can I try you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try you for again.
And we're kind of like a big slime.
My turn out gold or kinda ish.
Okay,
Brown.
mine is still the same color, but I'm gonna add a little bit more blue.
And the cameras look brown, but it's like goldish.
Yeah, it's gold. So I'm just gonna add a little more blue to it, so it can have that purple blue consistency, like I've been saying for the past 80 hours. It fell on my pants. Her gold fell on my pants. Alright.
Easy. Think I'm gonna put red for.
Hold on. I want to add a little bit more. Just a little bit
My
more.
hands are dirty.
I'm gonna add a little bit of red
Oh,
because I wanted a little red.
we could trade, huh?
Yeah, we can trade. It's our channel, whatever. We're like trading our own colors. Alright.
Mine's gonna be like this, I think. So, cause it's not gonna turn on. So, I don't want to make green, cause
I think the red might have ruined it,
yes.
but at least it's turning out more pink. I'll trade it back my purple. Alright, actually, I'm not mad at this. I like it.
Me too. I like this color. I don't want green. I just want another color. Anyway.
Alright.
But that's all right. Another magical liquid.
Hold on. Let's close our glues and let's put them at the side.
Let's put some this color.
We got the Elmer's Magical Liquid. This is really thick. I thought it was going to be liquidy when we first got it, but I know it's strong, so I'm just going to use the cap for measurements.
Something like brown.
Alright. It looks a lot blue in camera, but trust me, it's purple. Maybe it looks more blue because I added that red one, and I think the red made it look like that. Look, it's coming together. You can't even see that. Yeah, I think our next video should be no bowl and no spoon slime challenge. Like if you guys want to see.
See?
Yeah. And if it needs more, just add more.
I'm just gonna keep it.
It's coming together, but it's still very. It looks still very sticky.
Me too, it's coming together.
Do you guys like the new containers we found? I just got them because I like pink. I added way too much now spilling on the table.
Me too.
Alright. Gonna do that. Honestly, I would prefer tie over this one because whenever you stretch it, I feel like there's like, it sounds like there's strings in it, and which I don't really like it. But I mean, I still like it.
Keep mixing. Let's turn it now.
Okay, I kind of want to mix with my hands, but not yet. Even though the glue's already touching my hand a lot, I feel like it still needs a lot of activator. But I don't want to add way too much because our last slime video, me and my sister, we actually went a little overboard with the activator, and it was sticky, but it was hard to stretch it. So we didn't know how to use the activator right. But it says it's better to do it with this one, as you heard my sister. So I'm gonna put mine on the table. Make sure I don't get on the blindfolds.
Me too. Is it? That was sticky.
Mine is still very, very sticky, but I can hear that little string. It feels like there's hair in it. Every time I do a slime with this, it feels like there's hair in it. Actually, I really like my slime, but it's super duper sticky.
Si no lo vieron cerrado.
It's
Keep
super
mixing.
sticky.
Look, guys, this color. It's like
It's
spaghetti.
It's kind of gold, but it still looks yellow at the same time.
Yes.
Gonna add some there and add some right here.
¿Ya lo saco?
If you want. I'm gonna put some right here in case you need some, or in case I need some. I put some in there for me as well. So this is how it is so far. It's still really sticky, but it's super stretchy, and I want it to be like this, but I don't want it to be sticky. Like, see, like look at that. It's super sticky, but it's super stretchy, and I just want it to be normal. I'm gonna add more activator. I should have just gotten tied. Oh no, now it's gonna be even more sticky to my hands. I'm just gonna put some more activator on it, and hopefully it's still stretchy, but not sticky. I have a cut, and I got some glue in my cut. My spot of the table is a little messy. Mine, oh yeah, cut hers compared to mine. Mine's a little messy, but you can't really tell. Probably because of the lighting.
You didn't turn on the light.
I'm not gonna turn on the ring light. Then what's the point of having a ring light? I'm not gonna turn on the light.
Y ya casi se está haciendo negro. Ya no sé si me está pegando.
Yeah, mine's not really sticking a lot anymore. But it's still pretty sticky.
Mine's not. There's the back of one. This one. You need it? Mine's not sticky anymore. Okay, I'm gonna put this on here too.
Alright, we are going to keep on mixing until it's not that sticky. Well, hers is not that sticky. But like, look at mine. Mine, it is sticky, but like, I can still work with it. Okay, I still have a bunch of slime in my container, so I'm just going to mix that.
Mix it. I'm gonna do it.
Oh no, I got some on the bowl. Oh no, it's not good. It's gonna stick to the. Okay, there you go. So I had some activator in here, so I'm just going to mix that. in. I had some activator, that's why I'm mixing
Like
it
gold.
together. This is how mine
Not
turned out.
bad.
This is how mine turned out. Yay. And guys, I know we didn't do this at the very beginning, and I should have. I was just kind of excited to do this video because I haven't posted in a while. I want to do a challenge. Can you like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications in only 5 seconds? Can you guys do it? I think you can. Try to do it with your nose. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you guys do it? Comment below if you guys did do it. And yeah.
And yeah.
We'll be doing shout outs really fast soon. So if you guys want to shout out, all you have to do is like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification, and comment something like a nickname. And then on our next video, we'll do shout outs. So this is how mine turned out. It's pretty hard, but it's not sticky anymore. But if you stretch it slow, it does. I'm just gonna maybe add. No, I'm not gonna add anything else. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Ugh, sorry. Yours looks like it's super sticky.
Not for me.
Hers became a little more yellow, goldish than I thought.
Yeah.
It looks yellow, the slime, but it looks gold because the glitter.
Yeah.
Look up close and comment if you like this slime better.
Or this
Or
time
that
better.
Honestly, that does look really goldish.
This is my first video with my cousin.
Yeah, this is her first video with me. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Comment down below if I should be in
I don't think we need any more activators. I have some water right here if we have thirsty, and I just want to put some in my slime because it's really hard. It's not that stretchy. You should comment down below. Yeah, totally. I have so many cuts on my hand, and it's just kind of hurting. I'm gonna add a little bit more activator. Some water. I'm kind of thirsty. So this is my slime. And then as I thought, I'm just gonna need a bit of water. So yeah. This is gonna be the end here. And again, I hope you guys like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification so you guys are notified, whatever the heck to say like that, every time I post a new video. And we're going to be posting some videos with my cousin a lot. And I guys hope you guys like that.
And comment down below should be in all the videos for the hair. and give it a like.
Yeah, comment. Yeah, you guys just, we're gonna be doing shout outs really quickly. I know. I just really want to do some shout outs. Even though not a bunch of people watch my videos.
Let's clean this part.
I feel like this is not that bad. It's becoming more stretchier. But it's not. I'm just trying to fix it over here, okay?
Yesterday was the birthday of my cousin.
Yeah, yesterday was my sister's birthday, the one you saw in my very first video. If you guys want, I could put a picture right here. Yeah, that is her. She turned
22.
22. We had a crazy party.
Yes.
If you guys want to see how it went, please like.
And subscribe. It was too crazy.
Yeah, alright, this is my slime.
Okay, right. This is my slime.
I really, really like the color of it. It's honestly not bad I thought it would go much worse like my blindfolded slime video. But honestly, I really like it. And this is gonna be the end here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you on the next video.
And subscribe. Bye.
Bye!